Hey, hello everyone, and welcome to yet another episode of the Motorcycle Chronicles Singapore. Today I'm heading to Orchard Road. Right now I am on Claymore Road. I will be heading straight from here. On the left ahead, what you see is Orchard Towers. At the intersection of Orchard Towers, I would be taking a left turn and heading on to the Orchard Road. What you see straight ahead is the Forum Mall. And now I'm taking the left turn, and on the left is the Orchard Towers. Okay, and continuing straight ahead and going ahead a little bit straight. On the left side is the Thai Embassy. On the right, what you see is the Forest Plaza. Immediately after Forest Plaza, on the right side is the Wheelock Place, and opposite Wheelock Place is Shaw Theatres. I just cross the intersection and go ahead. On the right of the intersection, what you see is the Ion Orchard, and on the left is the Hilton Singapore. Once I cross Ion Orchard, on the right again is Wisma Atria Mall. Opposite that, on the left side, is Lucky Plaza, and heading a little bit straight, on the right side is Ngee City, the huge mall. Opposite Ngee City, on the left side again, is in the Pullman Hotel building. At the ground floor is the Apple Singapore store. Okay, I'm heading straight still on Orchard Road and just past the Orchard Gateway, and on the left side you can see Decathlon, Cedar Point. Heading a little straight ahead again on the same road, crossing over the intersection. On the left side, what I can see is the Concord Hotel Singapore. Going straight ahead after Concord Hotel, on the left side you can see a small gate that goes to the Istana, which is the presidential residence in Singapore, but this is not the official entrance, I suppose. But immediately after that, on the left side you can see Plaza Singapura. Opposite Plaza Singapura at the underground is the Dhoby Ghat MRT station. So straight crossing over from Plaza Singapura and heading on to straight ahead. Once I cross this log brick building, that's what actually ends the official Orchard Road. And at the next intersection, I'll be heading on to Bras Basah Road. On the left side, what you can see is the Singapore School of Arts, which is SOTA. And now technically I am on Bras Basah Road, which basically I've completed the Orchard Road. Okay, so that's it for today's ride on Orchard Road. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, do share it with your friends, and I look forward to creating more such videos and sharing with you on this channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.